Hello, everyone. I just wanted to remind you, because I know you've probably seen all of the marketing about CapacityCon, but I wanted to let you know if you were like on the fence, you weren't sure if you were going to come, I want to give you one main reason to come. Because you want to be in the ecosystem. And part of being in the ecosystem is actually being in the room, being at the tables, and also collaborating with each other. So you are the type of person where you're like, listen, I don't have to do everything by myself. I can partner with other organizations, but you need to know who those organizations are ahead of time. You also said, well, listen, I'm thinking about the fact that I want somebody to help me plan out my schedule for 2025. Let me tell you something. We have put together a massive amount of information to help you do exactly that. So if you really want to be in the ecosystem, you want to make your 2025 easier, and you want to meet some new people or maybe even refresh with some people that you already know, this is the event that you need to be at, and it's totally worth the investment. And we are so happy that we're going to have Tom Drogue. We're going to have Keith Daniel. We're also going to have Margaret McNabb. We're going to have Cherith Robertson. We're going to have Latasha Besgatti, LaShawn Harley, myself. We are going to put together something really dynamic for you. And so I'm really looking forward to you being a part of this. So go ahead and get your tickets now.